What's up, guys? Jason here at the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. Well, if you guys have watched the channel, you saw that we put the OEM polycarbonate windshield on our 2025 Honda Pioneer, and we also put on the Spikes Motorsports polycarbonate rear windshield. So today we're going to go ahead and put on the OEM Honda roof, and here it is. Here's the roof. It's one-piece plastic, and it already has all our clamps in here. I think really the only thing you need to do is go in here and take out the, there's a piece of rubber that's for shipping. You just got to remove all these little pieces of rubber, and then we can just throw it on the roof. So this is a really quick install. Alrighty. So how does it work? Guess you have to get this one, or else it's not gonna work. Carolyn's in the roof right now, and it has all our clamps. Yeah, I should just clamp in. Those might need a.
This one does. This one goes tight.
All right, guys, there we go. Showing this in the last one. There you go. And that's it. And that's what she looks like. That looks really cool. Really sharp. OEM. And that's how the back looks. Goes over the back plastic. And there we go. We just have to do a little bit of finagling with the clamps. You got to kind of loosen them or tighten them just to get them to fit correctly. But there we go. Easy one. All right, guys, so thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. See you on the next one. Bye.